It's almost ready, little ones.
It smells so good. Can we have some now?
Patience, my dears.
Mommy, someone is crying.
Listen, a crying sound.
Crying? Where? Let's go look.
Yes, let's go.
Look what is here. The chick is crying.
Oh, a tear is coming from its eye. Don't cry, little one. Let's go home. Hold it steady, dear.
Okay, Mommy. Wow.
That's it. Good job.
Yay. My turn.
The rice is almost ready. Great. The veggies are ready too.
Chirp, so colorful.
Perfect. Let's eat.
Is it ready yet? The carrots are yummy.
Almost, just a little more stirring.
I can't wait.
All right, everyone, let's eat.
Yay.
Oh, my sweet little ones, did you enjoy your treat?
Yes, Mama. So yummy.
Good. More later.
Good morning, baby. Good morning, little one. Beep, beep. Look, the sun is coming in. What a beautiful morning.
It's almost ready.
It smells so good. Cheep.
The sunlight makes it perfect. Breakfast is ready.
Yay.
There, turning off the light.